Tama. Pero this time, ito na. Vincent Zon starting at the back. So hindi siya ang magsisimula ng set sa harapan at quick service error para kay Vincent Zon.
Not the way you want to start a set when your season is on the line.
Now serving.
Wala nang bukas para sa Letran kung matatalo sila dito. Bautista, sinabayan ni Ginto. Bautista, and he gets Roof. Pangilinan.
Once again, blocked. Basang-basa itong si Bem Bem. Pangilinan and AC going at it at their net defense. Successful kill block Floyd. Para sa Arellano. Pangilinan. What a coverage.
2-0 start. Aranyo. Lardizabal, binuhay ni Carl. Balik ang bola sa side ng mga Letranista. Lardizabal. Ginto.
Wait, still good, Anton.
Oo, si Carl na naman. Binuhay ni Carl.
A high free ball and that was out. Puntos para sa Letran Knights. 2-1.
John Wayne Aranyo now serving.
Aranyo and the Knights. Backs against the wall. Staring at the face of elimination. Can they make something happen? Bautista.
Yes, that was outside na. Nahirapan nang ibalik ni Bem Bem yung over ball na yon. 3-1. And the body language, Anton.
Now serving. Jake Pangilinan.
Lahat ng momentum nasa side ngayon ng Arellano.
Aura plus 1,000. Minus 100 para sa Letran. Ayan ang sitwasyon ngayon.
True. Medyo mabigat yung side ng court nila ngayon.
Berdal. Oh, a ballerina type of a pass.
Oh, free ball. Trap ball. Successful para kay Lardizabal in the middle. Aranyo and Lardizabal connecting once again. Quick side out para sa side ng Letran Knights. 3-2.
Derek Bautista now serving.
Bem Bem.
On the service line. Look at Bem Bem's output right now. 9 points.
Kulang pa. Pero, ayan.
Services.
Servicing.
Tumuro.
Oo, kung medyo nahihirapan siya sa harapan, Bem Bem tumutulong sa likod. Contributing with a service ace para sa Letran Knights. We're tied at 3.
Pointing at De Libero. Choi Bustillo.
What a serve.
Tina-target si Bustillo. Sinuto. Nobody
Sinuto
home.
with the tongue out. Single block coverage. A big no-no. Para kay Sinuto.
He's fired up.
Yeah. Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina pa, no? Sinuto, tahimik lang. Pero kapag nabibigyan ng bola, 100% eh.
13 points para sa spiker na si Sinuto.
And that was outside that time para kay Lardizabal. Balik ang kalamangan para sa Arellano. Too strong for him. 5-3. Napasobra ng iwas si Lardizabal.
The opposite spiker, the older of the Sinuto brothers, Jiwen. Bem Bem picks it up. Ambrosio.
Oh, and that was,
That shoots.
yes, a kill block point para kay Kuramen. Grabe. Tumama daw sa siko ni Kuramen. Ang sakit daw. Ayun o, taas ng block nila eh.
An offensive block by Fernie Kuramen. So the graduating players side by side collaborating for that one.
Bem Bem, backline attack. Successful for him. Bem Bem still present this time. Tingnan natin kung ito na ba yung on-switch na hinahanap ng Letran Knights.
On deck to serve. Dave Lardizabal.
11 points para kay Bem Bem. Pag linabas ni Bem Bem yung lava walk, we can say na
Yun na ang
on na.
Oo, tama. Inihintay ng lahat yan.
Oh!
AC Ginto, a powerful cross-court attack. Two-man block, no problem for AC Ginto. Ibabaw ang taas ng talon. Ang ganda ng approach. Ganda ng tama sa bola. Puntos para kay AC.
tumutupi yung katawan sa ere.
Oo, parang hipon.
And Anjo, if there was an counter from the two of us.
Yun nga.
Siguro-
Marami-rami na.
siguro-
Wait.
Oh.
Shucks.
Ambrosio,
That was outside. Ambrosio.
humihiwalay na ang Arellano.
Oo, lumalayo na. Early 4-point lead for this set.
The Chiefs are feeling it right now. Flo Del Agua will give us an update on what's happening on the sidelines on the other side of this break.
Volleyball season has officially taken off. So, in line with that, here's the first edition of our awesome plays for the year 2025 in NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball. Starting us off at number 10. Oh wow, Del Pilar! One of the tallest middle blockers in the league. Pat Del Pilar with one of her career high.
Season 100 Men's Volleyball Finals and things just got juicier pero hindi daw papayag ang Letra Knights na matapos ang championship na ito ngayong araw. Sa kanilang huddle, a while ago, sabi ni Coach Brian Esquivel, parang hindi na Arellano ang nagpapahirap sa atin dahil kinakalaban na natin ang ating mga sarili. Coach Brian explained that when you hesitate with your moves and don't trust your own decisions inside the court, then how do you expect to score a point? So coming into the set, it's all about embodying that championship 16 years ago where winning was not by chance, it was a personality. Anton and Anjo.
Tama ka dyan, no? Thank you, Flo, for that report. Medyo nawawala na yung kinagisna ng Letra Knights. Medyo na out of system na sila. At tama ka dyan, nagpapatong-patong na yung errors nila. Kaya naman nahihirapan silang buhayin yung momentum na kakaunting meron sila. There was a challenge this time para sa side ng Letra Knights. Reaching beyond the net.
Oo. Letran coaching staff hoping na merong kamay na pumunta sa ibang realm. Ipinagbabawal na realm.
Alam mo, aside from Bem Bem, they need another guy.
Yeah.
Aside from Vince, they need another guy. Kung may mag-on man ng spark para sa side ng Letran.
Kasi sa Arellano, ang dami.
Yes.
Meron kang Berdal, meron kang Sinuto.
Yes.
You have AC
Yes,
Ginto.
you have
and
Veliados, you have Coramen, you have Pangilinan. Everyone actually sa side ng Arellano.
kumbaga overmatched ngayon. Etong Letran.
Tingnan mo gano'ng kataas si Veliados.
Grabe.
Oo. There was walang overreach eh. Ang successful challenge para sa side ng Letran. 4 na naman ang kalamangan ng Arellano.
Wow. Arellano. 4-point advantage. Brian Vitug in his first season as the full-time head coach. Ball is back in the air. Ambrosio.
Yes, that was a check out. Blockers were there, but too powerful for them to control that ball coming from Ambrosio. 6-9. Letran trailing by 3.
Lou Ambrosio, the X factor in that first set. Naka-8 puntos si Lou sa first set. Since then, Anjo, just 2 points.
Yes, nagiging quiet na rin. They need more of him. Actually, everyone eh.
Oo.
They need more of everyone. Kung gusto na lang extend to into a 5th set.
Medyo matamlay ngayon ang Letran. Berdal. Bustillo. Villados. Back to Carl.
Oh, good dig by Ambrosio.
Oh. Pangilinan versus Aranyo. Berdal na naman!
Wow! Yes, Carl! Work it! Our graduating player leaving a very nice legacy para sa Arellano squad. Berdal powering it over sa 2-man block coverage ng Letran. Cross court with the flick of the head. And Coach Brian Vitug enjoying it.
Carl Berdal adding something extra on the...
Oh, wait! An error. Yes.
Nanggigil na masyado si
Oo,
Carl.
nagigil. Medyo mababa yung lipad ng free ball na yon.
But
Carl Berdan, napaagay yung palo.
you know what? I like that. I like that Carl wanted it.
Yes, kasi yung confidence
Oo,
Nakikita
oo.
mo, di ba?
Kumbaga, kung napalo ni Carl ng tama yon, kumbaga madedeflate na yung Letran eh.
Man, imagine kung napalo pa niya yon. Mag-e-erupt yung arena. Single block coverage and single block point mula kay Lardizabal. Ang ganda ng basa niya sa play na yon. Ganda rin ng base niya for that block. 2 hands in. Single block point para kay Lardizabal. Letran is still in. 2 point lang kailangang hinahabol.
Villados.
And ang bilis ng bawi para kay Pangilinan.
Pangilinan.
3-point lead.
Lardizabal late that time for that block. Pangilinan way too high.
Galing talaga ni Adi. Tumingin muna siya kay Carl.
Oo, di ba sinisilip?
Oo. Kumbaga, pag blocker ka ng Letran, mafe-fake ka talaga eh. Mapapaisip ka, saan madadalhin ni Adi to?
Okay, Bembem. Side out para sa Letran. Ang gandang adjustment for that break ball set kahit dikit sa net. Puntos para kay Bembem. A very silent game for him so far. Very uncharacteristic para kay Bembem Bautista.
Villados, back set. Bounce ball!
Sinuto!
Ziwe.
Once again!
Sinuto.
Unstoppable right now para sa Arellano. On that opposite area, Sinuto. Lakas nung palo.
14 na.
Grabe, 14 points for him. Walang kapa si Bembem.
Look at the emotion mula kay Sinuto. 3-point lead. Bembem. Tumama pa sa kanto.
And, yes, it's in. Sabi natin mga linesmen. And there's gonna be a challenge para sa side ng Arellano.
Video challenge request by Arellano Bola.
Again, Arellano has not lost to Letran this season. 3-0 ang Arellano kontra sa
Tama.
Letran dito
At
sa Season 100.
nung nakausap natin si Bembem nung match nila against CSB, ang sabi niya gusto niya makalaban sa finals ay itong Arellano dahil hindi nga sila nakabawi sa regular season.
And all of those 3 wins, Anjo, ended in 4 sets.
Oh.
Oo, so kung sa simula ng ating laro, it looked like history was on the side of Letran. Now, it's like recent memory is on the side of Arellano.
Tama. Naku po, tingnan nga natin kung mababago ang istorya ngayong tanghali para sa side ng Letran o ipapako na ng Arellano para makuha ang kampyonato this NCAA Season 100. 3-point lead para sa Chiefs.
Matagal inantay ito ng Arellano community. The perfect moment.
16 years.
The perfect team
16 years, Anton. Imagine.
to end the drought, Anjo.
And that ball is...
Aray.
Oh, that's outside.
Ball out.
Yes, that was
Challenge
outside. Challenge successful para kay Coach Brian Vitog at sa Arellano.
Score now is
Balik
39
na naman sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Arellano tulad na lang ng mga unang sets. At alam natin na kapag meron silang 4-point lead, iba ang kumpiyansa ang meron ng bawat isa sa kanilang kupunan.
Aranyo. Bermido. Bautista naman ang susubok. Oh, palabas
Bembem
na yun.
ulit. And yes, Bembem Bautista.
Bautista.
They need more of that. They need more of Bembem to get the team alive.
Ayan na, nag-smile na ulit si Bembem.
Oo, good variation for Bembem.
Bautista,
Tipinit over sa likod para mahirapan ang depensa at ang floor defense ng Arellano. 3-point lead, Arellano.
Check out.
The block.
AC Quinto. Puntos na naman. Blocker was there. Bermido was there. Good hand placement, but that was too powerful for him. AC Quinto. Check out.
14 serving 10.
Check out point for Bermido. 14-11, palitan ng putos, Anton.
Pero kung ikaw ang Letran, hindi pwede yung palitan
Tama.
lamang ng puntos. You need to get stops.
So true.
Kailangan makastop ka.
Kailangan at least 2-1 ang palitan ng puntos para dumikit sa kalamangan ng Arellano ngayon. Oh! Service ace by Lardizabal. Narinig ata tayo. That was a 2-1 conversion para sa side ng Letran Knights. Miscommunication naman para sa receivers ng Arellano.
Nagtinginan
Oo.
si Carl tsaka si AC.
Tama.
That face of Carl says it all.
Alam mo yung Spider-Man meme? Yung nagtuturoan, parang ganun eh.
Tsaka yung nakakain na maasim.
Ambrosio, single block kill.
Lou Ambrosio.
Kanina pa nakakapunto si Kuramen sa kanyang running spike, but not now, sabi ni Ambrosio.
Timeout.
Down by 1 ang Letran.
From maasim to matapang.
Kailangan makakatay tayo dyan. Okay, para makalayo tayo. Pwedeng ulitin. Pumasa lang tayo maayos. Okay? Pumasa lang tayo maayos. Okay? Abang sa short ball. Pag nag-short ball, edi trust ka na. Sigaw ka na kaya, de. Trabaho ulit. Game. Go.
Here's the replay. Running attack. Gandang pasok ng kamay ni Ambrosio sa kanan, getting that cross-court angle closed. Single block point for him.
Parang pag maganda ang laro ni Ambrosio, he's like the barometer eh. If Ambrosio plays well, he becomes the X factor that he needs to be. Maganda yung mangyayari dito sa Letran.
Tama, pero alam mo, going back, Bem kasi. Yung on-switch ng Letran eh. So, gumana man si Ambrosio, kung walang laro si Bem, damay-damay eh.
Yeah. Para sa akin, hindi pa naka-on eh.
Hindi pa ito yung Bem Bautista, Anton, nakilala natin.
Oo, meron tayong isang laro na kinover, naka 27.
27.
Yun yung
Yes.
kailangan na Bem ng Letran ngayon. That's the Bem that has to arrive here in the
Yes.
finals.
Tingnan natin kung darating ba siya in red carpet fashion or is it gonna be too late for him and the Letran Knights?
Again, the most popular question in the comment section, asa na ang Bem nyo? Kailangan na magpakita ni Bem Bautista.
Tama. Tingnan natin kung ibibigay niya.
Villados. AC. Oh!
Oh, it's still
What a-
good.
What a pancake by
I
Aranio.
know. What a play.
AC.
That was... No, there was a check ball, I think. Para sa side ng Letran. Is there gonna be a challenge? No, there's not gonna be a challenge para sa side ng Letran. Umamin ata si Vince na may check ball. Puntos para sa Arellano. 15-13. Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan nila. And AC serving for the Arellano Chiefs.
Against all odds this season, AC Ginto. Himzon. Tinapik. Back row.
Bem, and that was outside.
And a celebration from Coach Brian Vitug.
Oo, kasi nakuha na naman nila yung technical timeout, Anton.
Oh, that was the most animated I've seen Coach Brian. Oh, look at that. Nakaangat pa yung paa.
All force eh.
Pero ilalaban pa rin ng coaching staff ng Letran.
Challenge. Ball in or ball out.
Pero yung angulo ni Coach Brian Vitug, kitang-kita niya eh. Alam na it was out.
Pag napasipa ka na, sigurado ko doon 100% yun. Kasi pag dalawang kamay lang, mga 75% lang yun.
Napasipa, dahil napasipa siya, napainom na rin ng tubig.
Tignan natin, ang bola ay outside. Outside niya. Ng successful challenge para sa side ng Letran. Technical timeout, mapupunta sa side ng Arellano, 16-13.
Hannah 10.
Hey there mga kapuso! Ako po si Erin T. at nandito tayo ngayon sa University of Makati para subaybayan ng NCAA Season 100 Football Finals. Tara, samahan niyo ako at saksihan natin kung sino ang magwawagi.
It is a 3-point lead for the Arellano University Chiefs. Could they be moments away from an inaugural, historic, first ever men's volleyball crown in the NCAA?
Here we go, the latter part of the set, or could be the match.
Ayan ang mga nag-aabang sa kanila, waiting to erupt. The Arellano crowd inside this jam-packed Phil Oil Center in San Juan.
Berdal finding the line. Going cross-court. Walang kapa ang blockers ng Letran. Walang blocker rebound. That was so clear. Carl Berdal.
Carl Berdal, 19 points in Game 1, 14 here in Game 2.
Hey, apat lang yan. Nakakatake tayo. Problema, ayaw natin magbasa sa depensa. May pattern ka na. Ayaw mo lang sumunod. Ha? Paulit-ulit lang. Pasa muna. Ha? Atake tayo. Go!
Coach Brian Esquivel pointing out they need floor defense right now kasi ginagawa naman ng blockers yung trabaho nila, but there was always an angle open para sa spikers ng Arellano. They need the pattern pagdating sa kanilang floor defense.
17 points for AC Ginto.
4-point lead. 17 points. Wow. AC Ginto.
Kimzon. Oh! Andy Villados.
Yes, finding that first line on the left side of the court ng Letran Knights. Wala eh. Parang cheat code tong si Villados para sa side ng Arellano. Matangkad, athletic, magulang maglaro, magaling paikot ng bola. Amazing player.
At may
5-point lead.
national team experience.
Tama, yun yung pinakamabigat dun eh. Oh, nothing's working sa side ng Letran. Another kill block point for Curamen. At para sa Arellano Chiefs, Bernido roofed on that spike. 19-13. Is this it?
The end could be near. Arellano, so close.
Dalawa na blocker mo. Anong gagawin mo? Ha? Kayo yung nasa loob na kayo magdidesisyon. Pero gawin niyo yung kung tayo advantage. Ha? Hindi ba
They need a stop right now. Ang layo na ng kalamangan ng Arellano with 6. They need a run if they want to extend this into a 5th set.
Arellano is knocking on the doors of history.
Oh! And that was out. Patong play successful para sa Letran Knights.
Ayaw pang bitawan ng mga Letranista. Talagang binigay ni Vince kay Ambrosio.
Five-point lead.
Arellano establishing that cushion. Adi running attack.
Oh, good dig.
Binuhay
Free
pa.
ball para sa Arellano.
Carl on the drop.
Oof.
Villados. Ambrosio.
Oh, one-hand dig.
Oh!
Yes. Great connection by Villados and Curamen. Curamen sobrang sipag, Anton. Kahit break ball, tinatalon niya, inahanap niya yung harapan ni Villados. And Villados, inaabot na lang yung bola kay Curamen.
And for Letran, number 8, si Magaysay. For number 6,
Nararamdaman na nila.
Eto na ba?
number 2, Vicente.
5 points away. 16 years in the making. Arellano serving. 20-14.
Wayne Catere.
Letran hoping for a miracle.
Good serve.
Himzon, oh, an awkward tip to the other side.
Yeah, medyo napilit yung set na yun.
Villados.
And that was outside, galing kay Pangilinan, medyo nanggigil. And Carberdal asking for the set.
Christopher Lu Ambrosio now serving.
20-15. Ambrosio serving. Good serve.
Villados to Carl.
Carberdal.